Hello everyone and welcome back to my Unreal Engine beginner tutorial series. So last time I showed you how to download the Epic Games launcher and how to install the Unreal Engine 4. So today what we are going to be doing is showing you how you can create your first home project using this Unreal Engine 4. So without talking much further, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you gotta do is open up your Unreal editor. So to open up your Unreal editor, you can use this taskbar shortcut that is pinned on this taskbar, or use this desktop shortcut, or else you can use this way. Just open up your Epic Games launcher. So in the startup, you will be on this Unreal Engine 4 tab. Just click on this launch button, so it will directly allows you to run your Unreal Engine, or else you can go to this 4.26 go to this library and just click on this 4.26 engine that I showed you how to install in the last video. So I'm not gonna use this way, but because it will take some more time, so I'm just gonna minimize it. So I'm just gonna run it using this taskbar shortcut that I have created. So make sure to run this 4.26 version. So if you open up something just like this 4.23, it would be a lot different than this 4.26. So just open up this 4.26. Now it will start initializing, then it will load up your Unreal editor. So I'm just gonna pause this from here. When my editor starts initializing, I will resubmit. So now my my Unreal editor starts initializing. So it's a bit stuck on this 45%. So once it got into 80 or 81, it will show loading instead of initializing. So now it's 54, 55. I think it will take some time, so I'm just gonna pause it again. Oh no, I think I don't have to. It's 75 now. 5 more. Hurry up. Still and 75. Load up. Yeah, now it's 79. So as I told you, after it goes over 80 or 81, it shows loading. So just give it a couple of seconds for load successfully. So once it got load successfully, it will open up something just like this. So now here you can see the Unreal Engine project browser. So here you can see your recent projects. So I have this project, and you when you keep your mouse cursor on your project, your recent projects, you can see those supported platforms. So here you can see you can see the location of it, so as the path. So to create, if you want to open up your recent projects that is saved on your PC, you just click on select it, then click open project. But we are not gonna open a project, so we are directly gonna start creating games using this Unreal Engine 4 from the very beginning. So to create a game, just like a video game, to create a video game using Unreal Engine 4, just you don't have to select any of these, you just have to select games. So for the description, they say start your game development journey with one of our key classes, levels and examples. So just click next. So it will show up this. You can this interface, so you can select your template. So there are lots of templates, so I would like if you guys would try all of these templates and take some extra knowledge. So but in this project, in this video, I'm not gonna show all of this, but in the future my future videos, as in my creative game tutorials, I'm gonna use lots of these ones. So in my racing game series, I'm gonna use this vehicle advance. In my side scroller game series, I'm gonna use this, and these first person shooting in these some kind of my first person shooter games. So this tutorial series, I'm just gonna use this third person template, so it's a bit advanced than the other these other templates. So just select your template as this third person, then just click next. So this will show this project settings tab for you, so you can select how that you're choosing blueprints. So C++, for the C++, if you want C++, you have to install this Visual Studio 2019, but I haven't installed 2019. I have only installed 2017. So but I'm not gonna use I'm not very proficient in these C++ things, but I will do some tutorials on this blueprint, so you can expect it from me after this beginner tutorial series. So I'll just choose this blueprint, then maximum quality or scalable 3D or 2D. Just use this maximum quality one. So just use this retracing as disabled, and use this desktop console one. Yeah, we are normally creating this for we are normally creating most of you will using want to create a console game or this kind of desktop for PlayStation, Xbox, and these Windows, Linux, so the computer in operating systems. If you want to use if you are using this mobile tablet one, this will support only for the mobile operating systems, just like iOS, BlackBerry, Android, those kinds of things. So you have to choose this with starter content because it would be a lot easier. So if you use this no starter content, it would be a blank project. So just you can select the location that you want to save your project. So browse it using these three dots. So I'm just gonna save it in my D drive here in this under projects one. So the select folder. I'm gonna name this as Unreal UE4 beginner. I'm gonna use this UE4 beginner, so UE4 stands for Unreal Engine 4, and don't use space on the when typing the project name, so it will show an error like this. So it's better if you can use this. So now that's all for creating the project. So then you must take this create project to create your first project, or you can go back and just change your template, or else cancel creating this project. So just click create project, so it will create up your project. So give it a couple of seconds to load up and create your project. So now it created our project. So our new project will start initializing. So as you can see, it's rising up 39, 45, so you can see it here. So 75, wow, loading 83%, 86% loading, 90%, so 91. So I must tell you, this Unreal Engine 4 works on the speed of your CPU and your RAM. So here you can just right click on this and just use this task manager to check your CPU usage, RAM usage and other stuff. So my one's a bit slow when it got over 90, so I'm just gonna pause it for now. Once it completely loads up, I'm just gonna resubmit and start from there. So now my editor opens up, so you can see the first look. So you can see this third person example map, our basic tab that opens up in the beginning. So here you have this place actors palette, world outline palette and details panel, and also this content browser. You can drag and drop it anywhere that you like these ones, and make your this designing area more clear and your interface more clear. So here in the first start of this in your project, you can see these new plugins are available, so just dismiss it. I'm gonna do another tutorial on this plugins one. So just you have this files one, edit files menu, edit menu, this edit menu, window menu and this help menu. So I'm just gonna do in the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna teach you more about these palettes, these menus, the menu that we get in the top of this viewport, and these icons and other stuff. So I think that would be enough for today's videos. See you in the next video. So goodbye.